Hey guys, so today is Thursday. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your families. This video will be going up on a Friday. I'm not sure if it's going to be a cook with Thanksgiving dinner with my mom or just a Thanksgiving vlog, but we vlogging today, so yeah. Before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So right now I'm prepping for my closet sale. You guys will see more details about this in my blog on Sunday, but that's not the important thing today. The important thing today is what's happening in the kitchen. So let's head to the kitchen. Hi Mom.
Hello Kendra.
So Mom is making Thanksgiving dinner. You want to tell the people what you're making?
Right now I'm finishing oxtail.
How much longer does it have?
Maybe another hour. Because it has to be tender. You don't want to be pulling it, showing.
Yeah. You gave them tips on how to make it last year too, right?
Yeah.
So if y'all didn't watch our video from last year and y'all want to know how to cook oxtail, go watch our video. What's this?
This is rice and beans. It's not done yet.
Okay.
But it's rice and beans with onion, coconut cream, give it flavor.
Okay.
Over here we have lasagna.
Okay. It looks very, very, very well done. Love it. Okay.
And over here I have macaroni and cheese.
Ooh. Okay. And what's this? Oh, the fish.
The fish, yeah.
Okay.
I'll take the kid. But it's not done. You can show it now.
Okay.
This is kale, fresh kale. I saute the garlic in a little oil, and I make sure I wash the kale thoroughly
Before cooking.
And put it in there. I'm baking it now.
Okay. What else is on the menu today?
I'm also making the frozen kale with onion and garlic.
Oh, you made chicken. Where's the chicken? What's this?
This is roast beef. It's not. I have to cook it again. I'm doing so many different things. I just have to cook it again. I'm gonna finish it.
That is in the microwave too.
This is the baked chicken I baked earlier.
Yum, this is what I'm eating. Ooh, okay. So you make 2 whole chickens. How long did it take you to bake the chicken?
About 2 hours.
Okay. So I have some questions for you. What's your favorite dish to make?
I have so many.
Really?
My favorite dish to make is I like to make curry chicken.
Okay.
With a little potato, a little dumpling, and of course the chicken itself with extra curry.
What was the first thing that you learned how to cook?
Maybe chicken.
Just chicken, no specific type of chicken?
Maybe just baked chicken.
Okay. What's your favorite dessert to make?
Favorite dessert to make? Well, I like to make baked apples.
That's what I was gonna say.
Baked apples, you wash it good.
My memory card ran out of space, but favorite dessert to make? Baked apple.
Yeah. Baked apple with a little sugar. I leave the skin on. Wash it good.
Okay.
And put a little sugar. So good.
If you had to choose your last dish, what would it be?
Last dish to make?
Like your last dish you could ever enjoy.
What would it be? I would have oxtail. I love baked chicken. Or maybe fried chicken for a change. Fried chicken. A little rice and beans. On the provision side, the ripe plantain boil. And green bananas. And the sweet potato.
That's a huge dish.
Yeah, well, a little of everything.
Oh.
Not too much of one thing.
What's your favorite beverage?
I like tropical punch.
I knew you were gonna say that.
And I also like iced tea. Iced tea.
Homemade or bought?
Iced tea and lemonade, lime juice.
Wait, this is a long list.
With the limes, you wash the limes good, you squeeze them. You know, it's not that hard.
Okay. What's your favorite beverage? Alcoholic beverage?
Oh no!
Don't act like you never had it. You act like you never had a sip in your life.
Maybe a little wine, not too much.
Red or white?
Red wine.
Okay.
But it have to be sweet.
But they said red wine is good for your heart.
Yeah, but not too much of it. Not too much of it.
Let me think. What's your favorite snack? Like if you have to make something quick, what is it?
Maybe crackers and cheese.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Cheese.
What else? I think that's all my questions for now. So yeah, she's in the kitchen cooking. Smile. I know y'all was probably looking at it before, like, what's going on, but it's coming together. What's on the front burner now?
Oh, that's the roast beef finishing.
Oh, you put it back on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I sit and I put it in the gravy. Okay.
What are you thankful for this holiday season?
For life.
Okay.
For people I live with, my children, my granddaughter. Thankful for good health.
Mm-hmm. I was gonna say that.
Very important.
Mm-hmm. Ask me what I'm thankful for.
Oh, what are you thankful for, Kendra?
I'm thankful for my family, my friends, everyone who supports me, my community that I built online, health. That's all I could think of right now.
Okay, well, I'm happy for you, Kendra. Keep up the good work.
Big M, Big M. You gotta tell them I'm Big M.
I'm the big M. Really big.
My mother has to do more videos with me, so y'all have to comment on this video and tell her that y'all want to see her. So I don't really speak about it much on my channel. I speak about it a few times. But what is like the thing you miss most about back home? So in case y'all don't know, our nationality is...
We're West Indian.
From?
Dominica, West Indies.
Dominica. So what do you miss the most about back home?
Oh, the beaches.
Oh, not you with your instant prepared.
I love to be on the beach. And I was there. I was on the beach every day. It was really fun.
So you miss the beaches.
Mm-hmm.
What else do you miss?
Well, some of my friends are still here.
Mm-hmm.
My family that I left behind. The live bands. I love the live bands. The music.
What you used to be doing that when the live bands was playing?
Dancing.
Dancing like what? Let me see you dance.
I was on that floor.
Ah!
Sometimes I used to be a little tipsy with my other friends.
Oh, so You just wanted to act like you don't drink.
No,
and
that's
then,
way back when, not now. My little friends and
little friends? What?
with my friends, and we were just on the dance floor.
Doing what?
Boogieing.
Boogieing?
Let's boogie tonight.
Yo.
Right.
It's the vocals for me.
Oh, we used to have picnics. We used to have village tours.
Picnics? You never did picnics with me.
Back home,
Yeah, but you could do picnics here too.
Well, it won't be the same.
She don't like doing stuff in America.
It won't be the same.
Okay.
We used to have the villages tour. We used to go from village to village to village all day. It used to be so much fun. I miss that.
So I'm about to prepare my dish. I'm making some fried fish. This is sway, which is a Vietnamese fish. I used to eat this all the time when y'all know I was trying to be pescatarian. But as you guys may or may not know, I don't eat seafood anymore. But people, aka my mom, wanted me to prepare this fish. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna bread fish in these breadcrumbs. Part 2. I got real cute. Editing and realized that I was rude and I did not close out the vlog.
Looking for the best music for your video.
So I just wanted to come on here real quick to close out the vlog. So I had an amazing Thanksgiving. I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. It might be short, might be long, don't know, but I had an amazing Thanksgiving. I love my family, I love my friends. We had a great time and it was nothing short of perfect. I did want to let you guys know that my mother has an Instagram. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen. She also caters events, small events. So if y'all need her, hit her up. And I'm trying to get her to post more on the gram. So make sure y'all follow her. But that's it for this vlog. Until my next vlog, which will be on Sunday, my weekly vlog. I'll see you guys there. I didn't want to include this in Sunday because it would just be too long of a Sunday vlog. Because I try to keep them like 30-40 minutes. So that's why y'all getting a vlog today, Friday, my Thanksgiving vlog. So before y'all head out, make sure y'all subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and make sure you guys are on the lookout because my Chemist/Vlogmas series here on my channel will be starting on December 1st at 12 p.m. and noon sharp. So make sure you guys are tuned in, and yeah, I love you guys. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving.